Sometimes you may want to add a Google account on your Apple iPhone. Sometimes that will be for YouTube or Gmail or any other Google platforms. Anyway, in this video we'll be telling you about how to add a Google account on your Apple iPhone. For this, first what we need to do is open any Google app. For example, you can open the YouTube application or Gmail application or Google search application. Anyway, here for example, I'm opening the YouTube application. After opening the YouTube application, down here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click on that, above you can see the Accounts option. Click on Accounts. When you click on that, here you can see every Gmail ID in your smartphone, and here you can see one option, Add Account. Click on Add Account. When you click on that, here you can see the Continue option. Click on Continue. When you click on that, you'll reach a page like this. If you're already logged into other YouTube accounts, that account sometimes will be visible here. If you don't see it, you'll reach a page like this. Here you need to enter your email ID. For example, I'm entering my email ID. After that, click on this Next button. When you click on that Next button, you'll reach a page like this. Here you need to enter your password. After entering your password, click on this Next button. When you click on that, they'll ask whether you want to save this Google account in this phone. If you want to, you can save it. For that, click on Add Passkey and click on Save. And anyway, after that Google account will be added. Now here you can see the Skip option. If you don't want to review this, you can click on Skip. It's better to do that. Anyway, when you click on that account will be added. Now you can see this account here. So this way you can easily add a new Google account on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.